Hi guys, rubber band powered car failure. The idea was simply to wrap the rubber band round the can, and then when you released it, it spins the can. It does work, but it's far too powerful. We've got too much torque with the diameter and the rubber band. So we need to do something else. And the idea I've come up with is this. Right, so instead of pulling around the outside of the can with the rubber band, I'm going to push a hole through the middle, which is what that tube is for. Put the rubber band through the tube. There's a hole there that I can put a peg through that will go through the strands of the rubber band, so that rubber band comes out round a post at either end, and as you twist the can, it will be twisting the rubber band inside the tube. So when you release it, it should roll along. So I need to make a hole get this out again. Yeah. One advantage of just using blue tack, comes out easily. Yeah, I need to make a hole there for the pipe to go through. Same at the other end. And I doubt whether these will be anything like strong enough. I might try them, but I suspect they will pull in too much once the rubber band tensions up a bit. So we'll probably have to redesign this. If I can get these out, I'll turn them the other way round. Oh, that doesn't make much difference, that just broke off. But the idea is so I could use those to hook the rubber bands over. So let's see if we can get them out again. They are super glued in place, so it's unlikely. Might have to reprint something at that end. I happen to have some nice tin snips, as they're called. So make some very sharp edges in there, but that'll clear the hole for us. I'll do something at the other end. I've punched a series of holes in this end so I can get my tin snips in. Again, that'll be very sharp edges. You can probably hear it's raining out there. Right. That fits nicely. I need to put the peg through the middle before I seal it in place. And then we need some rubber bands. These ones are a bit old and they're breaking. They might work, but I do need to buy some more. Only Poundland, cheap stuff. Just using a bit of bamboo cane or barbecue skewer to go through there. Using a bit of cotton to pull the rubber band through. The bit that's going to be difficult is trying to get it back the other way, the other side of the divider. Right, first attempt it didn't work because those rubber bands that I gave it for grip were rubbing on the bottom of the bodywork and slowing it down. Whereas if we do it without the rubber bands in place, or the tyres, it does work. Yeah, so it works. It could work better. I'm using an anti-slip mat to give us better grip for the initial start so the wheels don't spin. And I'm also winding it up the opposite way so it goes that way, so it's rear wheel drive. Oh, we would have done the full distance. Here we go. Didn't go as far to the right this time. Here we go. Oh, come on. How difficult can it be to go straight? See if we can do the distance. I've got it pointing left a bit because it seems to drift to the right. Perfect. So, there we are, another rubber band powered car. This one is using torsion rather than tension. We're twisting the rubber band rather than stretching it. I don't think for 1 minute it'd actually carry this box if it was full of drink, but it's just a convenient box to separate the wheels. I'll have a look and see whether I can put the 3D files on Thingiverse or TinkerCad. I did make a slight modification to that one. I melted little indentations on the side so it holds the rubber band in place easier. Did that on both sides. So that works.